Alright guys, so let's continue to add material, and you know, yeah, I'm a great fan of robocop, so let's find some inspiration from that. So yeah, so if you search robocop, it's got a pretty cool outfits, right? And yeah, they kind of add this reflective kind of mental like thing, and they got this iPod, and yeah, I think maybe if they glow some blue light, it would be pretty cool. So yeah, let's draw this inspiration from Robocop and design our own. Right, so yeah, let's yeah, let's just close it and make our own Robocop. First, because my name is William Jiaoming, so I'm going to make a little W here, like a Superman's S. So let's try to do that. And the first is edit mode. Let me add something, okay? And maybe and a loop code here. Right, and maybe a loop code here. Yeah, I think maybe this way. Maybe adding more. I think I'm going to add more loop cuts. Maybe something like this. Here. Yeah, maybe let me think. Yeah. Okay, and yeah. So what I'm going to do is to change the material. All right. Let me get this shading part and add another material. Light, right? Maybe add some bluish color. Emission of white light. And let's assign this slot to light to here. Okay, so let me choose different. I think it's W here, so it's boot, something like that. Okay, so holding Shift, face selection, of course. W. Okay, maybe like this, and slot 2, assign. All right. Got our light here, and obviously we need to change the color. Right. All right. Pretty cool. Alright, and I'm going to add a robocop style head. So edit mode, and maybe adding a like, let me add a loop cut here. Okay. And edit mode, choose this face, and we can adding that a new maybe some ominous red. Yeah. Assign. All right. Roughness, yeah, this looks interesting. Yeah, just leave everything here. Yeah, then we can get this modeling to quickly see our renders. Adding lighting camera here, and lights obviously it's not as the right place. I think this light here. X. And Z. Maybe increase the strength a little bit. Well, I think yeah, we need to turn up the light a little bit. So light, yeah, and yeah, obviously the color does not seem to be too good. So if for those of you who don't know how to turn up the light, choose the light, and we got the light pop here. Yeah. Yeah, where is it? Oh, it's not adding mode, sorry. We got a light pop here, and you can turn up the strength and it will change the color. And I'm going to change this material 1 because I think that a little bit white, maybe just make it completely dark. is more stylish. Yeah. Let me use a little bit rendering engine. And that's more like it. Right, pretty good.